Okay, here she is before, seats off, stock tank. You can see I've already got one of the radiator guards off. Hopefully that new tank sitting over there will be on soon. Here we are at stage 2. Rough fit up. And the boy getting into all my tools. A little bit of modification to be done, but it should fit nice. It's the third example of what it's going to look like when it's done. See how wide it is at the top there. It's the next phase of the rebuild. New fuel tank, old fuel tank, bike oil and bits obviously. All the shitty old plastics. And the box full of brand new plastics. Bike with all the plastics and everything off. New tank, old tank down there. Box full of brand new KTM stuff ready to go on. Stickers, plastics, everything. And there's all the old shit. See how she comes up. Here's a quick after shot. Not fully finished yet. You can see the gloss on new plastics. Awesome. Ready to go now. Brand new plastics, new tank, new stickers.